important work of his. We are obliged with having Miss Neha, Mrs. Neha Gawat with us. Thank you, ma'am, for coming. They both have achieved great success in their respective fields and have significantly contributed towards the community and society. So we are very much happy for you to be here, ma'am. And I request our HM to welcome you to the class.
आमच्या कार्यक्रमाक तुम्ही आमकां तेंचे मार्फत आमच्या भुरग्यांक बॅगां दितली. तेंच्यांनी आमकां पयलीं सांगलें की तुमच्या भुरग्यांक आमकां एनरोलमेंट सांगा, त्या प्रमाणे आमी तुमकां बॅगां दितले म्हणून. आनी त्या प्रमाणे तेंच्यांनी आमकां डेट दिली आनी ते प्रमाणे येवन आमकां आतां आमच्या भुरग्यांक एक गिफ्ट दितले. तेजे बद्दल हांव सगळ्यांचें आमचें मना पासून स्वागत करता.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. Honorable headmistress of the school, our teachers, students, and parents. As आमी हांगा आयले आसा for the distribution of study material. तुमकां आमी स्टडी मटेरियल दितले जितून बॅग आसा, 4 बुक्स आसतले तितून, फायन, अँड कंपास बॉक्स आसा, टिफिन बॉक्स, वॉटर बॉटल, आणि जे तुमकां टूल्स जाय आसता, दॅट इज पेन्सिल, स्केल, इरेजर, शार्पनर, हे सगळे ते भितून आसा. ओके, सो हेजे सारके नीट अँड क्लीन तुम्ही यूज करचे. फाईन, करतले न्ही? येस. सो यूज इट प्रॉपरली अँड स्टडी वेल. ओके, बरे मार्क्स घ्या, बरे वडले जाय. Fine, and make your parents and teachers proud. Okay? Yes? Yes. So now we.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I hope it is clear that ma'am is going to give us beautiful things for us to use in our school. जे आम्ही आमच्या स्कूलान यूज करून मेळटा. Okay?
ग्रुप फोटो घेऊया ग्रुप फोटो घ्यायचा
I request our teacher, thank you for the group of time.
On behalf of Government Primary School Kankawada, our headmistress and school managing committee, I would like to extend a very sincere grateful to our chief distinguished guest, Neha Gawas. Your contribution is highly appreciated and we hope to receive the same support from you in our coming years. Thank you once again. I would also like to thank our parents for their presence over here and their cooperation. Thank you once again.
With the token of appreciation, we would like to present gift to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
ग्रुप फोटो थोड़ी दाल की वीडियो
Oh yeah.
पटन चला ना पेरेंट्स
पुढे पायामध्ये
थैंक यू एक मिनट